The universe pulses with a rhythm only one being can truly command. I am Fayskull, and tonight, every star, every planet, every living soul will move to my beat. From the deepest reaches of cosmic dust, my sound emerges, a bass heavy thrum that vibrates through glowing galaxies. My studio isn't bound by walls, it's a symphony of light and energy, where speakers the size of worlds orbit, each one a conduit for my creation. I step into this boundless arena, a silhouette of style and confidence, high-end streetwear catching the cosmic glow, accessories shimmer, subtle energy flows around me, a visible manifestation of the power I wield. With every gesture, I sculpt the very fabric of sound. Beats don't just drop, they explode into shockwaves rippling across nebulae. Melodies aren't just heard, they become trails of pure light, painting the void. Drums aren't just felt, they echo as vibrant explosions of color, igniting distant galaxies. Watch as alien crowds, weightless and free, dance in zero gravity, their movements perfectly synchronized to my sonic waves. Witness massive interstellar concerts, millions of beings from countless civilizations, united, vibing as one. Neon cities pulse with my rhythm, skyscrapers becoming living instruments in a universe-wide orchestra. The camera sweeps and dives, a dizzying ballet through space tunnels, then slows to a crawl for a bass drop that shakes the very stars. It spins 360 degrees around me, capturing the intensity as each beat transforms the environment. Planets vibrate, energy ripples, and the cosmos itself becomes my canvas. This is more than music, it's a force that binds, a vibration that connects every corner of existence. Now, I stand at the heart of this cosmic stage, raising my hand. The ultimate beat is about to drop. The universe holds its breath, then exhales in a unified, harmonious surge. Every atom, every being, every galaxy, perfectly in sync. This is my legacy. This is Faiscal, the sound of the universe.